Creating an NGL link and sharing it on Facebook is a fun way to engage with the audience or friends while maintaining anonymity. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, go to the App Store and in the search address bar, search for the NGL app. In Android, go to the Google Play Store and search for the NGL and download the NGL app. Once downloaded, you will need to sign up your NGL account. So firstly, you'll be asked for your birthday year. Then tap on the Instagram option available and continue with it. There is no Facebook option available, as you can see. So we can go with the Instagram. Now choose a username for your NGL app. Once you write down your username, continue with the process. Now you can skip the profile picture part. And here you can see copy link option available. Simply tap on it and copy the NGL link. Now all you have to do is go to the Facebook. Make sure you go to your Facebook profile. Then tap on the edit public details option available there in blue highlights. Now scroll down till the bottom and again tap on the edit your details. Now look for the add social media or add websites option available there, or add social link option available there. Now as you can see, it's not for the social media. We'll have to go to the website. So go to the website and paste your link here and tap on the done or save option available there. Now you can go back and check on your profile and there you will get to see NGL link. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.